Good morning, friends. This is Chetan Khapre with my YouTube channel. Today, I want to discuss about the Atmanirbhar Abhiyan made by the particular our current Prime Minister, who has given a particular amount, awesome amount of 20 lakh crore to the particular people in the regards of giving the loan to the other sectors as well as MSME. But I have a question regarding middle class people. They are still suffering, and unemployed people also they are suffering. I hope so. He makes a very good scheme in near future. This Atmanirbhar Abhiyan is very good initiative taken by our Prime Minister Modi. He has given a more stress to the particular made in India products, uh, by local products, by Swadeshi products, which are very important. He has given a very awesome amount of this particular pay package. Our in Karnataka, especially I live in Karnataka, our chief minister BS Yedurappa has given an amount to the particular middle class people and poor people also. So this is a very good initiative. I hope so, according to me. And coming away, lockdown 1 has become lockdown 2, lockdown 3, and lockdown 4 is coming up in May 18th. So I want to tell you that this lockdown coming ahead will go to a particular 15 days or 1 month. Nowadays, you can see when lockdown 1 has happened, when the pandemic COVID 19 had happened, at that point of time banks, ATM, hospitals were only open. But when since lockdown 2 has come, he has taken a good initiative and very step ahead by making red zone, orange zone, and green zone. Red zone is a particular alert zone about the particular COVID-19 patients, and orange zone is about half, 50% patients are not there, 50% patients are there. Green zone is free from this particular pandemic. So by this particular pandemic which has happened 2 months, which is unexpected in happened a particular 2020, I also feel sad telling that this has happened to our country. Especially I want to tell you that these China products has given a good income, but as well as China products should be made less utilized of, and more our products should go outside. Our Swadeshi products, our local products should go outside. And particular the particular people, Prime Minister has made a good initiative by adding about PF amount to the particular of 3 months in the particular amount of the employees whose salary is below 15,000. This is a very good initiative, I think so, according to me. These are the latest measure made by him. And all the particular chief minister also cooperating with the prime minister. They are having video conferencing regarding how to get rid about this particular COVID-19. This about Atmanirbhar Abhiyan means responsibility on yourself. You take the initiative, you start your employment, give certain people also an opportunity under you. And see, there are many professions you can apply. There are many professions you can start. People who do not have job, don't think that you are unemployed. You can start off your own. That is a very good initiative, you can say. You can show that you are also an employed person, you are giving an employed, I think so. Entrepreneur is a particular good challenge, good initiative. That person will go ahead more than particular job is giving a monthly payment, but more satisfaction can be given by entrepreneurs. Okay, job also is very good sector, but service sector also is very good. That is very happening slow by slow. Lockdown 3, lockdown 4 has come. Many of the particular shops are open, and this has given a very good uh, thumbs up to the coming ahead, that they come back to the normal life. As I can see in this particular city where I live in Belgaum, people are going back to our normal life. They are leading a particular normal by uh, going ahead, and but there are still barricades in many areas where in the still COVID-19 patients are. I suggest that COVID-19 patients should go under quarantine. Other state person also should go under quarantine and take a good initiative, and show them why government is giving a free service. Free service, take good advantage of that. If you have a COVID-19, get rid out of that. Okay, and show 1 month, get quarantine. No problem about that. Even doctors, policemen are giving their full 100%. They have become a COVID warriors nowadays, who is taking a free service, who is giving a free checkup to the particular COVID-19 patients. That much which government will do, our Modi government is doing. Our current government, I am still proud of saying that this our government is coming ahead, will change the future. Okay, And I think so that GDP is coming down. GDP has become a problem due to natural crisis, not because of any problems. Okay, this is about Atmanirbhar Abhiyan made in India and normal current going views about my current sharing. Okay, thank you and subscribe to my YouTube channel Chetan Kapre. Thank you.